table topics. First of tonight will be Miss Valerie Walker, and she is coming up. I'm just going to speak.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Now, this is very concise. Latana? We are so late on time. We need to go ahead and move right along with our table topics. I'm covering for Jamie, who could not be here today, and she emailed me her table topic sentences, so here we go. She says here, we are living in a time where people are constantly creating or modifying different inventions. We have an invention, we have an answer for almost everything. However, as the world evolves and we begin to want more, we find ourselves needing more. As a Toastmasters, we have to stay ahead of the game and be on our toes at all times. Please answer the questions in your most creative way. Any volunteers for the first question? Wow, come on, stop. Volunteers. Would you?
Sure.
This is easy. The question is, what invention would you modify or change and why?
Okay. The invention that I would modify and why would be my BlackBerry. My BlackBerry got a little bit of water in it about a week ago, and it has not worked the same since. I would waterproof my BlackBerry. I would have to somehow drop-proof my BlackBerry because at this point it is obsolete and it is in paperweight mode. That's pretty much it.
Thank you so much. Miss Joyce. Okay, what do you believe was the best invention created and why? The best invention ever created and why? Miss Joyce.
Thank you. People Topics. Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and guests.
Good evening, Miss Joyce.
Best invention created. The sofa. So let me tell you why. When I'm watching TV, I have this thing that I kind of lean my head back and I rest. So I want to get in bed, so I want to just watch. And then it get real good to me. I stretch out on the sofa seat just for a minute, put my feet up, and then I kind of like let TV watch me a little. I watch it, watch me, I watch it. Of course, to me, that is the best invention. Even my children realize that. My daughter was over the house, we were watching the game the other night. I said, oh, I got to rest my feet. I put both feet up on the sofa and put the pillow. She looked at me and shook her head. And she knew it was sleep time. I sleep the best on my sofa. Because when I wake up and get in the bed, I toss and turn all night. I wouldn't change a thing about the invention of the sofa. Works for me. Always has. Should try it sometime. You enjoy it. Really try it.
One more question for tonight. Would anyone like to volunteer for this final question? Would you, Michelle?
Yes, volunteer.
how-to book hasn't been written. Let me think. There's so many things that I don't know how to do. How to fry bacon. That's not been written. I am the worst bacon fryer ever. I've tried to fry bacon on low heat, on high heat. I put it in the oven and it never turns out right. So I just think that there should be a how-to book on how to fry bacon because it's just bacon. I mean, it's not that hard to cook, but when I try to make bacon, it just never turns out right. So I've been cheating and using some pre-made bacon, which doesn't taste right. It's like freeze-dried or something, but it's good on sandwiches. So if someone would write a book about how to fry bacon, I would greatly appreciate it.
Thank you everyone who volunteered, and thank you, Ms. Joyce, for coming up. Let us now get the time of our 3 table topic speakers.
For Ryan, 33 seconds. Joyce, 1 minute, 22 seconds. And Michelle, 1 minute, 2 seconds.
At this time, would everyone just vote for the best table topic speaker tonight? We'll take a minute to do that. As we vote for our table topic speaker tonight, let's move right along and introduce our master evaluator.